In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add the Elliott Wave Oscillator or EWO indicator in TradingView Pro with a quick and easy guide. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have the EWO added to your chart and ready to use, even if you're brand new to TradingView. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView Pro account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look toward the top of the interface for the Indicators button. It usually sits near the middle of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens up the Indicators and Strategies window, where you can search for and add almost any tool TradingView offers. Inside this window, you'll see a search bar at the top. This is where we're going to find the Elliott Wave Oscillator. Click into that search bar so your cursor is active and ready to type. Take a quick second to make sure you spelled it correctly because TradingView searches by name. Now start typing Elliott Wave Oscillator, and you can also add EWO in brackets if you like. As you type, TradingView will begin filtering results in real time. Look through the list that appears below the search bar for the indicator labeled Elliott Wave Oscillator with the EWO tag. When you see it, simply click on the name. TradingView will automatically add it to your chart, and you should see a new pane appear, usually below the main price chart, showing the EWO histogram. With the EWO now on your chart, the next step is to check its settings. On the left side of your screen, or on the indicator label itself, hover over the Elliott Wave Oscillator name until you see a small gear icon. Click that gear icon to open the settings panel. Here you can adjust inputs like the moving average lengths, as well as visual options such as colors and line thickness. If you're just starting out, you can leave the defaults as they are, since they're already optimized for general use. Later, as you get more comfortable, you can come back and fine-tune these settings to better match your personal trading style. Finally, if you don't already have TradingView Pro and want to follow along with the same layout and tools, make sure to use the sign up link in my video description. That will take you straight to the correct page so you can create your account and unlock the full indicator experience without hunting around the site.